Imagine a world where ancient secrets and futuristic marvels collide. Picture walking through ancient ruins, feeling the whispers of history around you, while just a few steps away, towering skyscrapers and advanced technology paint a picture of tomorrow. This is a place where the past and the future coexist in a mesmerizing dance. Welcome to What's Up Next, your gateway to exploring the wonders of our world and the innovations shaping our future. From the timeless beauty of Petra's rose-red city, where every stone tells a tale of ancient civilizations, to the bustling heart of Marrakesh, where every corner tells a story of vibrant culture and rich history, and the architectural marvels of Samarkand, a crossroads of culture and history, where the Silk Road once thrived. Let us take you beyond the guidebooks to uncover the hidden treasures of the world's most enchanting destinations, places that are often overlooked but hold stories and experiences waiting to be discovered. And that's just the beginning. Our journey doesn't stop at the wonders of the past and present. What if I told you about the technologies shaping a sustainable future? From revolutionary AI that's transforming industries, to the mysteries of tomorrow's internet, where connectivity and innovation know no bounds, discover how innovation is changing the way we live, work, and dream. Imagine a world where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making everything more efficient and exciting. Why watch What's Up Next? Because we offer more than just a glimpse into the future. Because we're more than a channel. We're a community of explorers, dreamers, and innovators. We're your passport to adventure and your guide to the future. With us, you'll embark on journeys that span across time and space. With every video, you'll explore the wonders of our world and the possibilities of tomorrow. You'll see the marvels of ancient civilizations and the cutting-edge innovations that are shaping our future. So, what's up next? The adventure never ends, and the possibilities are endless. Join us every Friday to find out. Subscribe, comment, be part of our journey, share. Adventure awaits. Together, let's explore the unknown and dream of what's possible.